morning. Geyser gliders are here. Hey, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. We got about an inch and 2/10 rain last night, so today we're going to run down to Iraan for another stop on the Grand Motorcycle Tour, Texas. Going to go down to the, I think it's called the Alley-Oop Museum. Not sure if I actually got that absolutely right, but it's something like that. Alley-Oop. I think it's based on the cartoon feature back when we were kids. Maybe not when you were kids, but definitely when I was a kid. So we're going to run down there, and plus going to be doing a little checking out the new CarPlay that I've put on the bike, and I'll put in some other videos on that later. But it's the Carpuride 502 Pro, and with that, it's got the dual channel Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. It does all the CarPlay stuff, like your maps, your music, and all that important stuff. So we're just giving that a shakedown today. Plus, an added feature too, it's got intercoms on it, so that we synced up our Cena 20S Evo headset. So anyway, got a chance of rain, and hopefully don't get into it because obviously I forgot the rain gear. So, all right, we're gone. All right, well, we got into a bit of a rainstorm in San Angelo, so man, it was like, I don't know, 12:30, and starting to get a little hungry, and so I guess we just had to stop at Henry's Mexican Food in San Angelo and suffered our way through that. Henry's here in San Angelo is always really good food. So, fixing to head out of San Angelo and head on toward Iraan via Mertzen. And it's starting to get a little more sprinkles again, so maybe we get out here before it gets too wet. Get on our way. So, all right.
We're not fit for the brave. That blood and breaks on the way.
We weren't last time. Okay, so we're about 15 miles from Iraan, and I made a comment recently about the odoriferous, pungent smell coming from just outside of Post, Texas. This, my friends, is different. I didn't say better. It's still very pungent. This has more of a natural gas smell to it. So we've come up on yet another one-lane traffic controlling device. We're going to stop here for just a minute. So, anyway, yeah, it's been, woo! Some of that up there is kind of stanky. Kind of stanky. So, I was told that a certain city's Chamber of Commerce would like to visit with me about the comment that was made going into just getting into post. Well, we're not in any town out here, so we're out in the country. So yeah, it's kind of stanky, So so we're sitting here at this red light, and we have, oh, there it goes. I thought we were going to have to do our red light wave to get to go again, but here we go. All right, we'll be up here at the Alley-oop Lane shortly. The million-year-old caveman Alley-oop Fantasyland in Iraan, Texas. I don't know what they've got going on here today, but Alley-oop there. I don't know if there's any museum up there. Yeah, there's that. So we're gonna go up here and get some petrol and then head on over to Midland to President Bush's boyhood home. Is that it?
Bush family home.
Bush family home. So, all right, y'all stay with us. We'll be back. Well, we made it to Midland, to our last stop of this trip on the motorcycle tour of Texas. And right now we're at the Bush family home, state historic site. Fixing to load it up and head on back home. We got about a 3-hour ride to go before we get home tonight. Hoping we can stay out of the rain. Huh, that's interesting. So, anywho, there's the visitor center, tour guide. So, all right, well, headed home we go. Hey, we are on the last leg of our trip today. Pick up a couple more stops on the Grand Motorcycle Tour of Texas. Been a really good day. Got into a little bit of rain in San Angelo. Nothing worth pulling over for or getting the rain gear out, although we did bring it, but wasn't that bad. Other than that, man, I think the high today south of Midland was 88. And other than that, let's see, right now it's 75. And not that far from home, so man, it's been a really good day. So far we've got 469 miles on today's trip. We've got about another 35 to go. So, been a really really good day. Really good day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we have. Get to get out, just enjoy each other's company, and just enjoy the time we get to spend together, because we miss so much of that. So many years just raising kids and just doing our thing, working. So glad y'all got to come along. Y'all be blessed. Don't just be blessed, y'all be blessing.